17, 11:26, and I am finally going downstairs. This is the earliest I've gone downstairs actually, but I edited the video that's supposed to go up today. I'm not done editing it though, and I'm not really in a rush to, because really I'm just like taking this in my stride. It's my day to cook today. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and figure out what I'm actually gonna make. But let's actually go have breakfast, because that's a good start. I just came downstairs. It's 4:20. Please excuse my appearance. I'm about to start cooking. I think I'm gonna make some wraps with some mint, some lettuce and cheese. Super healthy. But yeah, let me start with that. You guys can cook with me. I'm running through this battery. Anyway, we're in day 17. We're doing good. We're doing great. P.S. The pancakes were so good. Oh my gosh, they were actually amazing, you guys. Wow. They were a little flat. I'm used to them being quite like thick, but wow, they were nice. I'm gonna have some more. They're all normal. They're all plain. And then I had 2 that had like chocolate chips sprinkled on top. And then I had, I think 3 or 4 that had cinnamon sugar sprinkled on them. So they're really good. My drink is ready. I think I'm gonna start cooking though. So I have this pan, it's heating up. I'm gonna show you how I make dinner and what I use. The cook with me segment. I'm just sauteing some onions. The mince is just about ready. And when these are done, this will probably be done. And then we have cheese over here. You saw me grating that. And then we have stir-fry vegetables over there. And then some lettuce. And then, of course, the star of the show. Then we have these babies. Large brown tortilla wraps. So we gotta fill them. We gotta fill them. What a wrap looks like before I wrap it up. It's got the mince mixture, some lettuce, some sauteed onions, the stir-fry vegetables, and then some cheese over there. Now I'm gonna wrap it up. Morning, everyone. Let me show you what time it is. $10:24. Did I say I was gonna try and look presentable today? I can't remember. But if I did, I put on a bra. Does that count? Because that's a lot, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs, make something to eat, watch some TV. I haven't done that in a minute, but I do need to do my assignment, so hopefully not too much TV. We're gonna have our lemon water. I know we're not supposed to have too much of that because it does thin your blood, but moving on. I'm gonna have some of my leftover chili. Just kidding, it's just some lettuce, some cheese, and we're gonna wrap this up. Oops. What's up, everyone? So I'm just gonna set you up here while I clean the table. I did already sweep, so just have to believe me. But yeah, I'm just gonna sweep the table before I get to watch Sarah. Sweep the table. I'm just gonna clean the table off before I get to watch some Sarah. The baby's not here, so we don't have to wipe it off as frequently, but we do have to do it. So I'm just watching TV quickly, and I think I'm gonna soak my foot in some Epsom salt. So my mom had this brand of Epsom salt in her cupboard, and I'm not a fan of lavender, but this smells amazing, you guys. Wow, like it actually smells so good. And I'm just gonna soak my foot in it because my foot's been in pain for quite some time now, and I think it's maybe I sprained the ligament in my foot, but I don't want to go to the doctor because I don't want to get sick. She could probably prescribe some medicine for me and have me pick up the prescription. Wow, the sun's just gonna change up on me like that. Okay, relax. Anyway, I'm just gonna soak my foot, but this smells so good. It has like a really, it's not strong, but it's more like masculine. It's not really strong, but it's more like masculine. It's like a stronger scent than like your normal lavender. So it smells so good. I'm just gonna soak my foot in it for about 15 to 20 minutes while I watch some TV. Let's do that. Also, have I told you what day it is? We are on day 16 of the 21-day lockdown. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. We're counting down on this channel, just to clarify, because everyone else is counting up for, you know, it makes sense, but I'm counting down, like, I'm ready to party. So let's soak. Here's a picture of this one more time. I'm gonna soak now and watch some TV. I'm so excited. Let's go. What's up, y'all? So we're just gonna make a little snack quickly. Let me show you. The good stuff. This is the good stuff. What's up, guys? Don't mind my snacks, but I'm just, it's almost 2 o'clock. I'm just gonna upload my makeup tutorial quickly. Still need to create a thumbnail for that. You know what that's called? Slacking. No shame in my game. What's up, everyone? So it is a lot later. It's 8:44 and I've just been sitting here doing my assignments. I'm gonna show you quickly. Yep, this has been my life for the past 3 hours or so, but I'm not even halfway, so that's amazing. But I'm gonna go downstairs and wash the dishes. I think you've seen me do the dishes enough times for 1 week, so I'm gonna leave you up here. I'll come back up and do the rest of this because I only have 14 days before submission, and this isn't even the only one I have to do. I have 2 more assignments, so I'm just gonna hopefully finish this one by tomorrow, and then I can start with the second one and finish by Sunday, and then do the last one. So yeah, I've been putting it off. It's my fault. I just need to prioritize a little bit better because I've been so busy with, you know, uploading, editing, vlogging. Like it really does consume your entire life, and so I just kind of have to like decide what's more important, and obviously school is more important. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. That's why I'm not too hard on myself if I don't upload a certain day, because I'm like, you know what, it's whatever, I can upload the next day or when I'm done with this assignment. So I uploaded a video today. It's the 1st of April. I uploaded one today. I did say I was going to try and upload daily, but even if I don't upload tomorrow, which I won't because I don't have anything edited, I'm okay with that. And hopefully if I finish a big chunk of this assignment today, I can hopefully edit a vlog tomorrow and upload it maybe Friday. So yeah, we'll just see. I'm just kind of like rolling with the punches here. I'm not really stressing myself out. There's really no point. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and utilize as many hours of the day as I can, and what I finish, and what I don't, I don't. So yeah, let me go wash the dishes, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow, because I mean, I'm just gonna come back here and do this same thing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.